Jai Gurudev students. Students, today I will teach you lesson number 3, The Monkey and the Crocodile. The Monkey and the Crocodile. It's taken from a Panchatantra tale. Listen carefully the lesson. Once upon a time, a clever monkey lived in a tree that bore juicy mangoes. एक समय की बात है, एक चालाक मंकी जूसी मैंगो ट्री पर रहता था. He was very happy. वो बहुत खुश था. One fine day, a crocodile swam up to that tree. एक दिन क्रोकोडाइल उस ट्री पर के पास आया. He told the monkey that he had traveled a long distance and was in search of food as he was very hungry. उसने मंकी से कहा वो बहुत लंबी दूरी तय करके आया है, वो भोजन की तलाश में है क्योंकि वो बहुत भूखा है. The kind monkey offered him a few mangoes. उस दयालु मंकी ने उसे कुछ मैंगोस दिए. The crocodile enjoyed them very much and asked the monkey whether he could come again for some more fruits. उसने मंकी से कहा क्या वह और फ्रूट्स के लिए फिर से आ सकता है. The generous monkey happily agreed. उस generous monkey खुशी खुशी मान गया. The crocodile returned the next day. Crocodile दूसरे दिन आया and the next one after that. और डेली वह आता रहा इस प्रकार से. Soon the two became very good friends. और जल्दी ही वो दोनों अच्छे दोस्त बन गए. They discussed about their lives, their friends and family. वो अपने जीवन काल के बारे में, अपने फ्रेंड्स के, फैमिली के बारे में डिस्कशन करने लगे. Like all friends do, जैसे सभी फ्रेंड्स करते हैं. The crocodile told the monkey that he had a wife and that they lived on the other side of the river. उसने मंकी से बताया उसकी एक वाइफ है और नदी के उस साइड, दूसरे साइड में रहती है. So the kind monkey offered him some extra mangoes to take home to his wife. इसीलिए मंकी जो है उसे एक्स्ट्रा मैंगोस देता था कि वो अपनी वाइफ को जाकर दे देगा. The crocodile's wife loved the mangoes and made her husband promise to get her some every day. उसे क्रोकोडाइल की वाइफ को मैंगोस बहुत अच्छे लगते थे, इसलिए उसने अपने हस्बैंड से प्रॉमिस कराया कि वह उसे डेली ऐसे ही मैंगो लेकर आएगा. Meanwhile, the friendship between the monkey and the crocodile deepened. और इसी बीच में कुछ ही समय में मंकी और क्रोकोडाइल की फ्रेंडशिप बहुत डीप हो गई, गहरी हो गई. As they spent more and more time together, क्योंकि दोनों ज़्यादातर टाइम एक साथ बिताते थे. The crocodile's wife started getting jealous. अब क्रोकोडाइल की वाइफ को जेलस होने लगी क्योंकि क्रोकोडाइल मंकी के साथ ज़्यादा टाइम व्यतीत करता था. She wanted to put an end to their friendship. अब वो उसके फ्रेंडशिप को ख़त्म कर देना चाहती थी. So she pretended that she could not believe that her husband could be a friend with a monkey. Pretended means बहाना करना. उसने बहाना किया कि उसे विश्वास नहीं कि उसका हस्बैंड एक फ्रेंड के साथ दोस्ती रखेगा. उसके हस्बैंड की फ्रेंडशिप एक मंकी के साथ है. Her husband tried to convince her that he and the monkey shared a true friendship. उसने, उसके हस्बैंड ने, क्रोकोडाइल ने कन्विंस करने की बहुत कोशिश की कि मंकी और वो ट्रू फ्रेंडशिप है, सच्चे दोस्त हैं. The crocodile's wife thought that if the monkey lived on a diet of a juicy mango. अब क्रोकोडाइल की वाइफ के मन में ये विचार आया कि यदि वो जूसी मैंगो ही उसका डाइट है, भोजन है, his flesh would be very sweet. तो उसका फ्लैश कितना स्वीट होगा. So she asked the crocodile to invite the monkey to their house. इसलिए उसने क्रोकोडाइल से कहा कि मंकी को अपने घर में इनवाइट करे. Crocodile was not happy about this. क्रोकोडाइल इस बात से खुश नहीं था. He tried to make the excuse that it would be difficult to get the monkey across the river. Excuse बहाना करना. तो उसने बहाने करने की कोशिश की कि मंकी को इस साइड लाना, रिवर के दूसरे साइड लाना मुश्किल है. बट हिज वाइफ वॉज डिटरमाइंड टू ईट द मंकीज फ्लैश। डिटरमाइंड निश्चय किया, उसकी वाइफ ने निश्चय कर लिया था कि वह मंकी की फ्लैश को खाएगी। सो शी थॉट ऑफ ए प्लान, तो उसने एक प्लान सोचा। One day she pretended to be very ill and told the crocodile that the doctor said that she would only recover if she ate the monkey's heart. एक दिन pretend means बहाना करना, उसने बीमारी का बहाना किया और कहा कि क्रोकोडाइल से कहा कि डॉक्टर ने कहा है वो तभी रिकवर होगी, ठीक होगी, जब वो मंकी का हार्ट खाएगी। इफ हर हस्बैंड wanted to save her life, ही मस्ट ब्रिंग हिज फ्रेंड्स हार्ट। यदि उसका हस्बैंड चाहता है कि उसकी जान बचे, उसकी जान बचाना चाहता है, तो उसे उसके फ्रेंड का हार्ट लाना ही पड़ेगा। द क्रोकोडाइल वॉज अघास्ट, वो बहुत डर गया था। ही वॉज इन डायलेमा, असमंजस में था, समझ में नहीं आ रहा था क्या करे। ऑन अदर हैंड ही लव्ड हिज फ्रेंड, एक तरफ तो अपने फ्रेंड मंकी को बहुत लव करता था। On the other, he could not possibly let his wife die, और दूसरी तरफ वो अपनी वाइफ को इतनी आसानी से मरने नहीं देना चाहता था। The crocodile's wife threatened him saying that if he did not get her the monkey's hurt, she would surely die. उसने ये कह के डराया क्रोकोडाइल को कि यदि मंकी का हार्ट नहीं लाएगा तो सच में मर जाएगी। So the crocodile went to the mango tree and invited the monkey to come home to meet his wife. इसलिए वो क्रोकोडाइल मंकी के पास गया, मैंगो ट्री के पास, और मंकी को उसने इनवाइट किया और कहा कि वो उसकी वाइफ से मिले, उसके घर चले और उसकी वाइफ से मिले। He told the monkey that he could राइड अक्रॉस द रिवर ऑन द क्रोकोडाइल्स बैक, उसने कहा कि तुम मेरे पीठ पर बैठकर जा सकते हो। द मंकी हैप्पीली एग्रीड, मंकी खुशी खुशी मान गया। एज दे रीच द मिडिल ऑफ द रिवर द क्रोकोडाइल बिगेन टू सिंक, जैसे ही वो नदी के बीच में पहुंचे क्रोकोडाइल डूबने लगा। द फ्राइटेंड मंकी आस्क्ड हिम व्हाई ही वाज डूइंग दैट, मंकी डर गया और उसने पूछा ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है। Crocodile explained that he would have to kill the monkey to save his wife's life. Crocodile ने मंकी से कहा कि एक्सप्लेन किया, सारी बातें बताई और कहा कि उसकी वाइफ को बचाने के लिए उसे मंकी को मारना पड़ेगा। The clever monkey told him that he would gladly give up his heart to save the life of the crocodile's wife. उसने कहा, क्लेवर मंकी ने कहा, वो खुशी खुशी उसकी वाइफ की जान बचाने के लिए अपना हार्ट दे देगा। बट इन हेस्ट ही हैड लेफ्ट हिज हार्ट बिहाइंड द मैंगो ट्री, जल्दबाजी में उसने तो अपना हार्ट मैंगो ट्री पर ही छोड़ दिया। ही आस्क्ड द क्रोकोडाइल टू टर्न बैक सो दैट द मंकी कुड गो गेट हिज हार्ट फ्रॉम द मैंगो ट्री, उसने कहा वापस चलो जल्दी से, जिससे मंकी मैंगो ट्री से अपना हार्ट लेकर आ जाए। The silly crocodile quickly swam back the mango tree. बेवकूफ क्रोकोडाइल जो है तुरंत मैंगो ट्री के पास गया। The monkey scampered up the tree to safety. मंकी जैसे ही पास पहुंचा वो तेजी से अपनी सेफ्टी के लिए पेड़ पर चढ़ गया। He told the crocodile to tell his wicked wife that she had married the biggest fool in the world. उसने कहा कि जाकर अपनी wicked means दुष्ट, evil वाइफ से कहना कि उसने दुनिया के सबसे फूल बेवकूफ से शादी की है। Now the lesson is completed. Now come to the exercise. See here, word meaning are given. You have to write it in your notebook. Number 1 is generous. Generous means kind. Jealous means envious. Aghast means overcome with shock and dismay. Dilemma, situation with unsatisfactory choice. Threatened, likely to be in danger. Scamper, to run playfully and quickly. Wicked, evil. Now see this exercise. It's given. Pick the odd man out and encircle him. See here, scampered, crawled, walked, screamed. Screamed is different from these three words. Next, generous, jealous, helpful, kind. See, jealous is opposite of these three words. Next, cried, laughed, whimpered, whined. Laughed is opposite of these three words. Funny, interesting, scary, comic. Scary means darana, and these all are interesting. So scary is odd. Friendship, enemy, brotherhood, fellowship. See, enemy is the opposite of all three words. So circle, you have to circle this. Now next page. See, you have to pick the correct option. The monkey lived on a tree with bori juice. Juicy, what? Juicy mangoes. You know, the monkey was what? Generous. Not greedy, not foolish, not great, but generous. The crocodile was what? Hungry. Not friendly, jealous, quarrelsome. He was hungry. Crocodile's wife pretended to be sick. Now, see this page. The monkey crossed the river on the crocodile's back. Now, come to the question answer. Question number 1. What did the crocodile tell the monkey in the beginning? In the beginning, when he reached to the mango tree, what did he tell to the monkey? The crocodile told that he was hungry and traveled a long distance in search of food. He told to the monkey. So the answer will be this. Number 2, what did he ask the monkey after eating the mango? Answer, he asked monkey whether he could come again for some more fruits after eating the mangoes. Next, how did their friendship deepen? How did their friendship deepen? As they spent more and more time together, so their friendship deepened. Because they spent more and more time together and talked about their lives. What did the crocodile's wife say? The crocodile's wife said that the doctor said that she would recover if she ate the monkey's heart. Now see here the next question. Why was crocodile in a dilemma? Why was crocodile in a dilemma? The crocodile was in a dilemma because he wanted to save both his wife and monkey's life. Because he loved both. What did the crocodile decide to do? The crocodile decided to invite the monkey to his home. Next, what did the monkey do to save his life? The monkey told that in haste he had left his hurt behind in the mango tree to save his life. Next, what did the monkey say to the crocodile after he climbed the tree? The monkey told the crocodile to tell his wicked wife that she had married the biggest fool in the world. Now come to the next exercise. See here are some nouns. Write their adjective. Noun words are given here. You have to write its adjective. Number 1 is generosity, generous. Jealousy, jealous. Strength, strong. Depth, deep. Fright, frightened. Foolishness, foolish. Kindness, kind. Happiness, happy. Sweetness, sweet. Wickedness, wicked. Next page. Here in the box, some words are given that are verbs, nouns and adjectives. You have to pick out the adjective from the box. Now see, delicious is the adjective. Intelligent, cool, aghast, large, scaly, juicy, wicked, simple. These are adjectives. Now here fill in the blanks are given. You have to write degree of comparison of each adjective in the following sentence from these words. Now see, the monkey was more intelligent than the crocodile. More intelligent than the crocodile. Number 2, crocodile's wife was very wicked. The next, the red apples are more delicious than the green ones. Next, the banyan tree in the garden was the largest of all the other trees. Next, the mangoes were really juicy. Now, next page, come to the next page. See here, complete the following by choosing words from the box. Here, words are given in the box. So you have to choose from this box. Number 1, as cool as a cucumber, as heavy as lead, as black as a raven, as brave as a lion, as green as a grass, as cunning as a fox, as gentle as a lady, as light as a feather. Next, here words are given. You have to add suffix full and able and make the sentence. I have written here, but you can make your own sentence like beautiful. Beauty, you have to add full, suffix full. Beautiful, rose is a beautiful flower. Number 2, knowledgeful. Knowledge is the key of success. Wonderful. Next, wonderful. The climate of Himalayas are wonderful. Next, 4, careful. Mother is careful to her young ones. Next, forgetful. I have forgotten my precious things. Now exercises are completed. Read the lesson 2 times and write the exercise in your book, question answer in your notebook and learn it. Okay, thank you, Jai Gurudev.